Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer. Today I'm going to show you how to properly thread a ratchet strap. The first thing you want to do is open your ratchet strap up all the way. So pull the release handle and open it up. You'll see it click into little tabs, which means that the drum is now freely spinning. And then we'll take our strap, thread our strap through the back side. And you'll know it's the back because the front side of it will be the side that you'll need to be cranking on once you have your strap in place. But take your strap, slide it through the eye of the drum, then reach around and thread it back through the top. The reason I like going through the top, you can pull it through, and this way when you tie something down, your slack is on the top and not on the bottom. And then you'll just simply start ratcheting. Then when you go to take your strap off of your load, you want to open it all the way up again and then just pull the strap out. Opening it up all the way, like we said, releases the drum, and then you can just pull the slack out of your strap and unstrap it. Now that we have our strap threaded, we can strap down our load. So you just want to connect it to one tie down point, take your strap, make sure it's straight with your ratchet, run it through your load that you're tying down, and connect it to another tie down point. And then when you're tightening it, you want to try to get 3 full cranks out of it. The last thing you need to do is tie up your excess strap. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you later.